The question then is going to be, what will cause this to move higher? Remember, Forex is a zero-sum game. For every buyer, there is a seller. In order for the market to continue moving up, someone has to decide, oh gosh, I want to keep buying. So if we're looking to trade the euro, what does that mean? Well, let's look at this. So we've got the euro CAD, or let's look at the Canadian. So the euro CAD is moving up. What does that mean? That means the euro is strong, the Canadian dollar is weak. The pound Canadian has been moving up. Strength of 6. It's high in the range, over 200 pips. Australian CAD, strong. It's been moving up consistently. What is this telling us? It's telling us that the Canadian is weak. Now, can we not just use the relative strength tab to get that? Absolutely. This is a breakdown on an individual basis. What does that mean? Well, we could get let's go back to relative strength. Let's look at the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar could be weak, and the Euro Canadian could be low in the range. The pound Canadian could be low in the range. The Australian Canadian could be low in the range. Okay, again, if all these currencies have been going up for a long time, what is going to push them higher? More buyers. What brings more buyers into the market? Decisions to buy. Why do people decide to buy? Because they think the market will go up and they will make money. Nobody gets into the market thinking they will lose. Nobody on the planet says, I'm going to go buy some Canadian dollars because I'm going to lose 100 grand. Nobody. There are better tax deferments. Okay? No one. So by looking at, number one, the strength, let's say it's early in the day, and the Canadian strength is low, we then go to the strength tab, and we look and we see, has the Canadian dollar been moving down for a long time? The answer at this moment in time, 1:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, is yes. The Canadian dollar has been moving up for a really long time. Does that mean it can not move higher? No. Is it likely it will continue to move higher? No. So, do we really expect the Euro Canadian to go from 169 to 200? Do we really expect? Now again, this is not wishing. I'm not saying, do we wish? That's ludicrous and childish. I'm saying, do we have a reasonable expectation that when most of the other traders in the world are asleep and the market is already up quite a bit, that the market will continue to go higher when for every buyer we need a seller? Well, the pound Canadian is at 237 pips. Do I really expect it to go to 300? No. Okay? Now, just because at this point the Australian Canadian is low, okay, we say, oh look, the Aussie Canadian is low, the US Canadian is low, maybe I'll just go in and trade one of those. Bad idea. For every buyer, there has to be a seller. If you buy the US dollar Canadian, so that means you buy US dollar and you sell Canadian dollars, you need the Canadian dollars to go down, you need the US dollars to go up, which means you need other people to sell and you need other people to buy. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. The traders in London are at the bar. They're getting drunk. They're not thinking about trading. Asian traders are asleep. Most decisions in the corporate world have already been done. Who the heck is going to buy and who the heck is going to sell so you can make money. Nobody.